Bitcoin is down once again, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on with Bitcoin. It's currently down to $76,000. Okay, so we can see again, just going to keep it very simple and to the point. Bitcoin reaches a milestone as its value surges past $80,000, and again, I really wish that CoinMarketCap would do a better job of this, because obviously this is not true. It did happen earlier on today, but I wish it was updated more in live time. But anyways, the US aims to be a leader in the cryptocurrency sphere. Again, we already know this. New SEC regulations have contributed to Bitcoin's surge, enhancing market transparency and attracting greater institutional interest. Bitcoin's mining network surpasses 1 zettahash per second, significantly boosting network security but increasing financial strain on miners. Okay, now listen, guys. Financial strain on miners, that sounds crazy. Listen, guys, Bitcoin is, doing its thing again. Okay, the markets actually started off pretty strong today, and we can even see, even in stocks, it was pretty good today, but things are crashing again. So Donald Trump announced some more stuff with some tariffs, which we'll talk about in a second. And we can see, guys, Bitcoin is down 10% in the past week. Right now, looking too good. In the past month, down 7.5%. And in the past year, guys, we're only up 6.5% now. So the year-over-year annualized average return is 20%. So it looks like we are either going to be going into a mini bear market here, right? Or we might be doing what we did here in 2021, right? If you guys remember in 2021, we basically, followed the structure where we peaked out in April, right? And then we basically flash crashed all the way in the summertime, and then we hit new all-time highs come October, November, right? So maybe, just maybe, we're doing that again, but we just peaked out a bit earlier, right? Maybe we peaked out in the start of the year, and we're just going to have a bit of a flash crash down to about, I don't know, maybe like 70s, 60s, and then we're going to hit new all-time highs in September time. Maybe that's what's going to happen. I don't know. Okay, now White House says additional 104% tariffs on China went into effect today at noon. So this is obviously insane, and I believe this is what caused a lot of fear in the markets today. So yeah, not looking good. There's my thumbnail for the video today. But yeah, Donald Trump is basically just nuking the markets left, right, and center any chance he gets, right? So these crazy tariffs are not going to be positive at all, and obviously going to bring short-term fear to the markets, right? Now, listen, guys, speaking of the markets, speaking of crypto, right? Everyone wants to buy, sell, store, send, deposit crypto, right? Receive crypto. If you guys want to do it fully anonymously with no ID, no KYC, no verification at all, I'll leave a link down below to what's called the Best Wallet. It is a very simple to use wallet, and again, no ID needed, no verification. It is fully anonymous. So guys, go ahead and check it out. It's pretty cool. And they're also doing an airdrop right now where you guys can go ahead and get some free money. So if you guys want to go get involved in that, go and check it out. They're also working on a bunch of other things, and they're trying to support 60 plus chains. Okay, so pretty cool, very simple to use, very easy. I'll leave a link down below. Again, it is a free wallet, guys. Now, moving on, we can see Bitcoin Magazine tweeted that just in 700 billion Bernstein says Bitcoin has been much more resilient than those during previous crises. It's impressive, right? And 100%, guys, we could say Bitcoin has been somewhat kind of holding its value here. Again, not down crazily, but a lot of stocks have been taking bigger falls as well. Even like year to date, like I get it, yeah, we're down from all-time highs, but a lot of things are down from all-time highs, so it is still pretty cool to see. Now, next up, 400 billion Standard Chartered says Bitcoin will become a hedge against tariff risks this time. Because guys, remember, you can't put tariffs on Bitcoin or any sort of crypto. So that was pretty cool to see as well. The tariffs technically don't support Bitcoin, or sorry, don't affect Bitcoin at all. Now, next up, Saylor allegedly bought 500,000 plus Bitcoin for $35 billion USD. His average price is 67,000, which is insane. We are 13% away from Saylor's average price, which is actually nuts. Yeah, it's crazy. This was tweeted by Arkham Exchange, obviously. So yeah, that is very, very interesting to see as well. Looks like Saylor is still confidently buying, and he's still continuing to push forward. Now, guys, all we want to do is make Bitcoin great again, right? If we can make Bitcoin great again, that would be amazing, and we can get back to a new all-time high. So guys, that's going to be it for today. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below, and check out the Best Wallet link down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.